With summer on the horizon, we're thinking about light and nutritious breakfast options to power your day. Today's breakfast of choice is a smoothie blended with banana, roasted cacao, lion's mane mushroom, chia seeds, and almond butter. Lion's mane was used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years as a digestive tonic. This mushroom is full of beta-glucans and complex polysaccharides, making it a nutritious and popular choice to incorporate into your recipes. Lion's mane has also been praised for its beneficial properties, especially its specific qualities as a nerve tonic and nootropic. This smoothie blends frozen banana, roasted cacao powder, chia seeds, and cinnamon with yogurt, almond butter, and a plant milk of your choice. It is delicious, filling, and quick to make. This recipe makes about 3 to 4 cups, so you can enjoy it for several days or share it with a friend. For more nutritious morning smoothie blends and other healthful breakfast recipes, check out blog.mountainroseherbs.com.